So another question, getting to know you. Do I prefer a car or a truck? Neither. I prefer my van. As a matter of fact, two things. My sons always tell me when they make their first million, they're going to buy me a vehicle of my choice. I like my van. I just wish the interior were prettier. The seats were all replaced. The air conditioner were stronger. And what else do I want? There's a few little bumps and bruises on the outside. If someone could just soup up my van, I would be delighted. Recently, a resident of my complex approached me. He said, "I really like your van." I was like, "Is this a come on?" And he said, "I'd like to buy it." I said, "Well, I have a fortune into this van, and I'm just not sure you'd want to pay that." And he gave me his apartment number and told me, make a price and let me know if you want to sell it. So I started thinking to myself, right? I'm like, what if I could get all my money back and even 1,000 more? Would I do it? I don't think I would. No. Why does the light keep flashing? Every time I move my head, it's different. Right, back to the subject. I don't think I want to sell it. Even if I could get everything I put into it back, what would I do then? What would I buy? I don't even know. It's a tough decision. It is a cool little van. I get compliments on it everywhere I go. Go figure. It does look like a little marshmallow. And I kind of love my van. So, but if Mike really did want to buy me a new vehicle, I might be interested in a Toyota Highlander. Yeah. So, that's my story and I'm sticking to it. That's my van and I'm staying with it. This is my channel and there you have it. Bye.